2026 Nissan Sentra, everyday comfort meets proven durability. The 2026 Nissan Sentra remains a top choice for reliable, budget-friendly compact cars under $30,000, combining everyday comfort, efficiency, and long-term dependability. Known for its solid build quality and smooth ride, the Sentra is ideal for commuters, small families, and anyone seeking a practical, worry-free vehicle. Under the hood, the 2026 Sentra features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 149 horsepower and 146 lb-ft of torque, paired with a Stronach CVT transmission. This combination delivers smooth, efficient acceleration, responsive handling, and excellent fuel economy, perfect for daily driving and longer trips alike. Higher trims provide additional performance and comfort enhancements without compromising reliability. The Sentra's chassis is designed to deliver a comfortable, stable ride while maintaining nimble handling. Its McPherson strut front suspension and rear torsion beam work together to provide a smooth driving experience, while the responsive steering ensures confident control in city and highway settings. Exterior styling has been refined for 2026, offering a modern, sleek profile with Nissan's signature V-Motion grille, LED headlights, and sculpted body lines. Higher trims like the SR and SR Turbo feature 17-inch alloy wheels, sportier accents, and a rear spoiler, giving the Sentra a more dynamic presence. Inside, the cabin balances comfort, convenience, and technology. The standard 8-inch touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while available features on higher trims include a digital instrument cluster, Bose premium audio, and wireless charging. Soft touch materials, ergonomic seating, and ample legroom make the Sentra comfortable for both driver and passengers. Safety remains a strong point for the 2026 Sentra. Standard Nissan Safety Shield 360 includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, and high beam assist. These advanced safety features contribute to excellent crash test ratings, giving drivers and families confidence on every journey. Practicality is a key advantage. The sedan offers 14.3 cubic feet of trunk space, while the rear seats fold flat to accommodate larger cargo. Combined with Nissan's reputation for reliability, low maintenance costs, and strong resale value, the Sentra is an excellent choice for long-term ownership. On the road, the 2026 Nissan Sentra delivers a smooth, composed, and fuel-efficient driving experience. Its balance of comfort, efficiency, and everyday practicality makes it one of the best reliable compact cars under $30,000 in 2026. For buyers seeking a comfortable, efficient, and dependable compact sedan, the 2026 Nissan Sentra offers an unbeatable combination of reliability, value, and practicality, making it a smart choice for both city and highway driving.